Otherwise, they're left behind. That's another chance of a wicket here. Taken! Absolutely! From Digant.
स्वर्ल करती है और कंधे के पीछे जा रही थी। एक और सफलता मिलती हुई यहाँ पे बुलडोजर्स को, चंदन को मिलती हुई उनकी पहली विकेट। बिल्कुल कुंबले की तरह बढ़िया टप्पे पे, सटीक लाइन और लेंथ, और ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ी मुश्किल में है सुदीप। आज बहुत खिलाड़ी घायल हो रहे हैं, चोटिल हो रहे हैं। मनोज तिवारी को हमने देखा, फिर हमने
hit him on the right on the chest. Oh yes, I think he is in all sorts of pain.
का इस्तेमाल करना नामुमकिन। एक और विकेट, अंदरूनी किनारा, ये स्टंप पे लगती हुई।
On to the inside edge. Yes, absolutely.
बेहतरीन ओवर अभी तक चंदन का। पहले खुद ही दौड़ रहे थे, पर याद आया कि रनर मेरे साथ है, फिर रुक गए। चोटिल हुए थे, बाहर चले गए थे।
Absolutely, looking at his area where he can get runs. That's another dot ball from Chandan. ये यहाँ पे 5 गेंदों में 2 विकेट, 2 डॉट बॉल।
देखिए यही होता है T10 में, बहुत ही बेहतरीन ओवर, गेंदबाजी। ड्राइव किया अपूर्व लाखिया ने, केवल 1 रन मिलेगा।
Over to get some runs here for Mumbai Heroes.
Well, he's done well. He's really been very impressive, Sudeep, as far as the captaincy goes.
Smiling their faces. That's the one which Navraj Hans looked to get off the boundary line, but he couldn't do it.
मैंने तो कुछ कहा ही नहीं, मैं तो खाली आपकी प्रशंसा कर रहा हूँ। गेंद हवा में, और लीजिए एक और कैच, फील्डर वही है। Once again, not able to field that one, Mahesh. Runs are now not really coming in, boundaries are just coming in a trickle now. This was the wicket of Purlake. Again, a very good catch, good running catch. Had to run a fair distance, keeping his eyes on the ball. Very nicely taken, very good anticipation.
There from, that's the stage where Mumbai Heroes are in. Let's see Navraj Hans. He is a powerful hitter. He clears the boundary line. That's the first blow from Navraj Hans into the stands from Maggie. Stars on the ground, off the ground as well.
टाइम नहीं कर पाए, पर फिर भी 1 रन और लगा। डायरेक्ट हिट, करीबी मामला हो सकता था। वापस जाते हुए ये रन आउट होगा, ये मुश्किल है। गलती करी, गलत निर्णय लिया, और सुदीप बहुत खुश। नए बैट्समैन आए सोहेल खान मुंबई हीरोज के लिए। जैसी अंदर आए, गले लगे सुदीप के। एक का बहुत जबरदस्त यहाँ पे मिलन हुआ है दूसरे कप्तान के साथ, और अब तैयार है स्ट्राइक पे सोहेल खान। क्या करेंगे बल्ले के साथ? क्रॉस लाइन खेलने का प्रयास, और बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, बहुत बढ़िया, लेंथ अच्छी है। और देखिए क्या हुआ था, जैसे ही अंदर आए पहले वो मुस्कान, फिर गले लगे, और अब ये पुराना प्यार नजर आता है।
Absolutely, Ajay. When two cricketers meet, we could see the same feelings. When two actors meet, the same feelings.
पर मैं बताऊं, क्रिकेटर्स जब ग्राउंड में मिलते हैं ना और विपक्षी टीमों में हो, तो गले नहीं लगेंगे, आप बाहर लगेंगे।
Absolutely. I mean, that's a mutual respect which we have to appreciate that. Digant, Navraj Hans, and on the line, picks up by Rajiv, straight into the hands. I think it was a good catch from Rajiv.
Well, the catching has been very good, very sharp from the Bulldozers. That's the reason they are back. Saw that catching from Pardeep earlier. Now it's Rajiv, Navraj Hans as well. Another wicket falling. It's a good strike going for the big one. That was exactly what they wanted. Some run. So Sohail is going to be on strike for the first time. But what an over from Digant. He's done a very good job. Things looking tougher and tougher for the Heroes 33 of 9 deliveries. At one stage they were really cruising, had a fantastic partnership early on. 78 for 1 and just losing their way then. Oh, that's knocked. That's the end. The bails have fallen. He knows it. Sohail Khan just looking back and then realizing. Playing across the line. Another wicket falling here. He's a good batsman. He's a decent batsman. Normally bats up the order. But probably because of the injuries come lower down. Oh, going down the leg side. Optimistic appeal by the bowler. But the umpire not impressed. He's unmoved.
Absolutely, Ajay. We saw that.
ड्राइव करते हुए अपना खाता खोला, केवल एक रन मिलेगा. फील्डिंग बहुत बढ़िया रही है, बहुत उम्दा. और यहाँ पे मुश्किल में और वापस आने दिया.
From around the stumps and cleaned him up. Another one for Bulldozers as the punch.
95 for 8, the heroes. Bowled one over, which was expensive, then picking up the important wicket. 31 required for the Mumbai Heroes of 5 deliveries. Daunting task. Just bowls the legal deliveries. It's still out of equation for the Heroes. I think the turning point was that could be trouble. Was
any form of cricket.
The captain on strike now, Varun Badola. Oh, going for the cut shot, missing it. Sudeep was just looking if he's just coming out of the crease. They are into the dance moves now. They are feeling so happy. It's been a great comeback by the Bulldozers in this game. Once again missing that one. I think that injury is hampering him. Really hampering him. He's not looking too well, Varun, with his feet movement. Really difficult once you're injured.
Absolutely, with the injury, the front foot, left foot going in, it's very difficult. That's the one final ball, and Varun got a couple of runs to finish up the over, and Mumbai Heroes finished the game at 98 for 100. Finally, they got 100 out of their quota of 10 overs, and it's the customary handshakes with the Mumbai Heroes. Bulldozers are getting into closer, they appreciating their win. Here's the customary handshake from Mumbai Heroes captain Varun. You see here the Karnataka Bulldozers are getting into closer, they appreciating their win. Here's the customary handshake from Mumbai Heroes captain Varun.
Yeah, in a huddle at the moment, Sudeep just having a chat with his boys. They have really come back very strongly. At one stage, yeah, in a huddle at the moment, Sudeep just having a chat with his boys. They have really come back very strongly. At one stage, Heroes was 77 for 1, but after that, just losing their way. It's a game that they should have won. Varun Badola just going to the captain as well, to the other players from the Bulldozers. They have done well, they fielded well. I think the big change was the catching. It was 77 for 1, but after that, just losing their way. It's a game that they should have won. Varun Badola just going to the captain as well, to the other players from the Bulldozers. They have done well, they fielded well. I think the big change was the catching here. The catching today was outstanding from the Bulldozers. Took some big catches in the deep, they came back strongly. Catching today was outstanding from the Bulldozers. Took some big good catches in the deep, they came back strongly. Some runouts as well that helped their cause. So overall a very good win. And you can see those flags, a lot of support for them. Been a very impressive comeback for the Bulldozers. Remember, Shakib and Jay early on were really batting well. They were on song. But Sudeep should be very happy the way his team has progressed.